Hi, this is the Honor 70 Lite and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. First, let's once again open the Muviz Edge application. In AD section, select one from the available stamps which you will like. Tap to apply. Here we could also add the backgrounds if you want. You could swipe to the up or to the down to select one from the available backgrounds which you would like. Tap to apply. You could also switch music controls settings to show notifications, to show the date with a click on the switchers, and show battery status always while device charger or never. Let's go back, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. To activate or turn off AD option, you should click on the switcher on the right upper corner. You could show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level. To switch AD timeout from 5 seconds to never. To switch low power after timeout, to switch the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shuttle, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable these options during the calls. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.